Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I am discussing different issues related with parenting with this modern time, that how should a parent behave, react, and what should be their attitude in this modern time in different stage of their child. And now I am on the part 8 where I am discussing about the stage when a child start their job. On their professional life, what should be techniques and approach of their guardians for the betterment of their career. And today is the last episode of part 8, or that means today I will finish my discussion about their professional life and I will start another part from tomorrow. So today I will discuss a closing part, and an important thing on that closing I will discuss, that is giving them some relief from some specific job that they are doing a few days ago when they are on the professional life. What are the jobs? We know that whenever a child is at student life or not engaged in their professional life, on that time they have to do some specific job like current bill or shopping or payment of other bill, collecting rent or giving rent, or some electric problem you have to conduct with the electrician or fitting persons or others. And this such type of job we like to assign them who are at the student level like college or university level, or have completed their study but not involved in any profession. But at the age when they engaged with a profession, on that time we should give them release from such type of activities, task, because if we do not give them release, on that time they will be diverted their attention on that job, and it become very tough for them to concentrate on both ways simultaneously, because at the starting moment they have a lot of responsibility and sometimes the situation is not under their control. They sometimes not feel easy on their profession, sometimes they have to take a lot of pressure, lot of load in their job sector, and sometimes they have to give a lot of time in their work or employment. So it become very tough for them to maintain the jobs that they are doing a few days ago. But sometimes the guardians think that this is assigned to them, so they should do it. They have do it a few days ago, so they should continue it. They could not understand that they are now on a business, on a job, and they have not enough elasticity of time to do that job. So they cannot fulfill the expectation of the family about such type of activities, and it create some feelings of the guardians and other family members that they are becoming irresponsible. Actually it is a situation that is pushing them to ignore such type of activity. So as a guardian, it is your responsibility to give them relief from such type of jobs, part-time jobs that they are doing a few days ago, and give them a capability to fully concentrate their attention on their job for their betterment as well as the betterment of your family. And when you will give them relief about such type of jobs, it will become beneficial for their career. They will be able to attend attentively on their job, their performance will not be hampered, and they have not to take enough mental pressure about other things beyond their job area. So it will be helpful for their career development and as well as for the betterment of your family. So thank you very much. Today I am finishing my video. I think you get some idea about what I wanted to say. If you find anything beneficial from my discussion, I will welcome you to subscribe my channel and watch my other videos related with parenting. Thank you very much. Bye.